Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you just want to make sure that you're in your editing tab. So it's just the third tab to your right from the bottom. And then next, all you want to do is just click on your video to make sure it's highlighted. And then we'll go over to Effects Library and click on that. And then once we've done that, we want to go under Toolbox and click on Titles. And then under Titles, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you will see Subtitles. So then all you want to do once you're here is you just want to click and hold on the subtitle and drag it over to your video. And then you just want to put it on top of your video right here. And then you'll notice it adds the subtitle to your video preview right here. And then all you need to do when you want to adjust the subtitle and start editing it is you just want to go back to your timeline and just click on the subtitle, just like that. And then just make sure that the inspector tab is open. Just click on inspector, and then you'll be able to adjust the duration right here, as well as what the subtitle says. So you just do like testing, for example, and as you will see, it'll adjust it on your preview. And then you can adjust your time here by the seconds, minutes, hours, whatever you're looking to add. So I can just add, let's say, to 9 seconds right there, and click on enter. Then you will see it'll adjust the time down here on your timeline as well. Anyhow, that's exactly how you add the subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. I hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.